Girls' Day out. আজকে আমরা বন্ধুরা মিলে ছুটেছি সারাদিন মজা করব আদিস থেকে 1 ঘন্টা দূরে। হাই এভরিওয়ান, গ্রিটিংস ফ্রম লিওনোরা লুনাস চ্যানেল। শুভকামনা সবার জন্য। আশা করি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন। Ethiopia's landscapes are beautiful. Everywhere is mountain. I love long drive. We're going to Bishoftu. Now we are having our breakfast. Surprise cake for birthday girl. Hi, it's Bishoftu, another lake. It's called Bishoftu and Asham Resort. I came with my friends to have fun. One of my friends have birthday, so I'm having fun. Birthday girl, charity. Yeah, birthday girl. Yeah. See, it's a beautiful place and resort also. And there is a seminar room also. Scotch Mollika. কি সুন্দর। আমি হাঁপাচ্ছিলাম, অনেক সিঁড়ি বেয়ে নিচে নামতে হচ্ছে। It's a beautiful lake, eh? আমার এই রিসোর্টে খুব ভালো লাগে। আমরা অনেকবার এসেছি। আমাদের জন্য নৌকা অপেক্ষা করছে। Boat is waiting for us. We all are going. The boat is waiting for us. It's a fun day, Friends Day. We are dancing, singing and laughing. So much fun. Life is so beautiful. We really enjoying our boat ride. So much fun. Another creator's lake, Bishoftu.
Oh, you're doing that day now. Oh, so back to us now.
It's big workout. So many stairs. Oh. আবারও অনেক সিঁড়ি বেয়ে আমাদেরকে উপরে উঠতে হচ্ছে। Good workout, eh, girls? How is it?
Gosh, that's some workout.
Yeah. So Jackie, you did for your workout today? Yeah. In our group, we have 2 Jackies. So much fun. But the girls also Jackie, and we have another Jackie too. From top, our boat looks so tiny. I went so many times, so I just add to night view picture from before. We are having lunch in Indian restaurant, 7 Lake in Bishoftu. Time to go home now. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. And everyone stay well. See you in next video. Bye.